How to customize quick access toolbar in Outlook. You can remove, add any tools from the your quick access toolbar in Outlook. I'm going to show you the two methods that you can use and you can customize as per your requirement. So let's start with the video, guys. Before we starting, I request you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. Okay, so here I am on my Outlook. So this is my quick access toolbar, which in the top of the above commands, or you can say above ribbons. So I can switch to below ribbons. You have to just click on this down arrow and go to the show ribbons below, so it will be show here. So now we are talking about the customize. Okay, you can quick customize. Go to the click on this down arrow, and you can add, print, save as, send, receive, update folder, whatever you want. So I just add print here, I add save as also, I add anything, reply also. Okay, so this is a simple customize quick access process. But if you want to add more commands, all if you want to see all commands and want to add particular commands in quick access, you can add. How you can do this, I'll show you. So just right click anywhere on the quick access and go to the customize ribbons. Sorry, just click this down arrow or go to show above ribbons and just click anywhere and go to the quick access toolbar, customize quick access toolbar. Or you can go from here, go to the file, go to the option, under you can see the quick access toolbar, and this is all command already you have in quick access toolbar. There, and in your left side there is the all commands. You can see this is popular commands. You can switch with the all commands, so that you can see the all commands that you want to add. So there is a commands. You can see what you need to do. Just click the command. If you want to add this junk command in quick access, just select the junk. There is a sub command also, and just add, so it will be add. Okay, language also you can add, anything you can add from here, because we are into all commands. Okay, and just click on OK. So you can see, if I click show below ribbon, you can see these two commands has been added. That is how you customize the quick access toolbar in Outlook. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.